There are undifferentiated cells found in animal or plant cells of multicellular organisms. These cells are able to, under the right circumstances, chemical signals and position from specialized cell types. For example, stem cells can turn into more specialized cells like liver cells, skin cells, and nerve cells. These cells can have differing abilities to turn into more specialized cells. Some are more able to specialize than others. Now, we will talk about, there are three general types of stem cells that are important. One, embryonic stem cells. Embryonic stem cells are pluripotent stem cells derived from the inner cell mass of blastocyst, an early-stage pre-implantation embryo. Human embryos reach the blastocyst stage 4 to 5 days post-fertilization, at which time they consist of 50 to 150 cells isolating the embryoblast or inner cell mass, result in destruction of the blastocyst. Now, we'll talk about adult stem cells. Adult stem cells are collected from a limited number of cell types in the body. Often cells and fat, adipose tissue can be used because they have less specialized cells than others. More often, bone marrow cells or from very early stages of tissue development are collected. 3. Umbilical cord stem cells. Umbilical cord stem cells are collected from the cells of the umbilical cord of recently born baby. Some of these cells are slightly undeveloped, so can turn into the types of cells. We call that multipotent. Stem cells can treat many diseases such as cancer or diabetes or skin diseases. Now we'll talk about how can we treat diabetes by the stem cells. Treatment of diabetes basically depends on filterization of special stem cells taken from the patient. These special stem cells are able to produce beta cells, secreting insulin in blood and implanting these cells directly in pancreas by interface rays without recurring to surgery. These stem cells producing insulin naturally inside pancreas. Do you have any questions?